Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Clear Browsing Data, and right here we've got, I would say, a basic option to remove the data, because here we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. You can change the time range to, for example, all time and tap on clear data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options. And here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So make sure that the thing you want to remove is marked. I will remove everything and change the time range if you want to. I'll choose all time. Then tap on clear data. And we can enter the history again. As you can see, it is empty, and it means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.